Gotta love it. Insurance companies, especially down here in Florida. Man, the insurance rates are stupid. All right, enough of that one. Let's get on the bike. Let's get the heck out of here. Change. Why is it important? Well, it's a motor, moving parts. Change oil in your car every 3,000, 6,000, 5,000, whatever they advise you to do. You need to do the same thing Harley tells you to do. 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, and then every 5,000 miles after that. So, going up to pick it up. Man, the wind is bad. I'm going to run Sin 3 and then the formula gear oil, just like Harley advises. So I know a lot of people use a lot of different products, AMSOIL, Mobile, stuff like that. The way I look at it, Harley-Davidson engine, Harley-Davidson lubricants. There's a reason why they're selling their lubricants with their motors. So, am I right? Am I wrong? I don't know. That's my belief. Let's get this day going. We all know Adam's raising money for the Wounded Warrior Project. To my brothers and sisters, I salute you for that, Adam. It's taking a lot of time and effort, hitting 120 dealerships by the time they do the 120th anniversary ride, 120th anniversary rally up in Milwaukee. So, good on you, brother. guys hanging with me on another video. Too bad we didn't make it to see Adam. But, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So, yep, get through all this traffic, get my butt home, get this 3-hole change done, and then get ready to go to the beach for a couple days. Much needed. All right, again, y'all be safe, be blessed, give more. Peace.